कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Ketenat Public Health Engineering ke Sarkar Jilla, Marcus Marak, ula pensyai berketenat PHE Hashua ban penpoi, ya ke sikitop penlang bapher ladap ban lek syuai ke tes, haka jaka sam kebadan, haka senang mau pelang. Haka jenis keren berkilat pasai khubor, haka live hui terik urisau, arajar arpulai, Marcus Marak ula yathu berketenat PHE, ke jupet benia ke jinglong jingman jangka hamau pelang treatment plan, bat hadian kini, la penpoi pat caka top kebadan handru mer shiteng, bat haka juk kapor, ula pentikna, baka kebala sam berketenat PHE, kalong keba Khuid basuba, bat kebalong ru, man Pyndonkam dikipat ba nong syong. Kini gajing pensyai juk Menteri Ketenat PHE, kalong hadin baka State Food Testing Laboratory, Commissionerate of Food Safety, kebadan hapas jahil Shillong, haka jing nak tes ya ke bam di, belashim nuksa na kishnong bapher, kebadan hapo ke jeli janggasor Shillong, haka arbu prasadik nailar ajar arpulai, daka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garu People, lalap, basau pusau na kisau pundut li ki top sam, bam di, kilong ki bamshngan satya bakipat ba kin Pyndonkam.
Every day, PHE department, before supplying the water to the Shillong city, we are testing in the Maplang treatment plant. So we draw the water from the Umbio river, we get it treated there in the Maplang treatment plant. From Maplang treatment plant, we bring the water to 6.5 miles. There's a tank in 6.5 miles. From 6.5 miles, in the 4th mile, there is again another tank. From that tank, we distribute the waters to the municipal tanks and other tanks here in the city. So, basically, the water being supplied from the PHE department is clean and ready to drink, potable water, I should say. So, therefore, the water which was brought by our FKCCP leaders and get it treated there, tested there somewhere. I don't know the veracity of the collection of the water samples from where they have collected. But however, for the satisfaction of our people here, we are giving the water, potable water to the people of Shillong. And if any of the PHE tanks are found contaminated or not fit to be drink, that we are looking into it. But so far, the water which we are supplying is very, very much safe to drink. That's what I can say. No, as I said, water supplied by PHE department is all safe and sound for drink. But the samples collected, we cannot say from where they have collected the samples. That's the point where we cannot say now it is the water that is being supplied to the people. And to mention it that way, there are tanks which are being manned by municipal boards. So if you can go to the municipal boards and try to find out from the municipal manned tanks whether the tanks that manned by municipal boards are fit to be drink or the samples from the municipal board water tanks are being tested, you can ask that question from the municipal board also. But from the PHE tank, water is safe and potable and very, very much safe and sound to drink. In the perfect solution because the water is being brought by the PHE department and distribution part is being done by the municipal board, which is they don't have the trouble of thinking how to get the water from where. So therefore, if the water supply distribution also can be given to the PHE department, that was the that would have been a perfect solution. So we are working it out. We are going to, we are proposing this from the PHE department, but we are still in the process of, pursuing it. So I'll get back to you once it is done.